primetime news this evening, Superintendent Leon Clunis is dead. Cop dies more than 2 weeks after attack in St. Catherine that left 2 other policemen dead.
National support needed. Security Minister and opposition react to Clunis' death.
Cartel appeal. Attorneys to make arguments to go to Privy Council for a 3rd day. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on the government's decision to have pre-testing for visitors from 4 American states?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.